The story of the young Hadzabe hunter and the lion. Long ago, in the wide and dusty plains of northern Tanzania, there lived a young Hadzabe boy named Nia. Nia had always been eager to prove himself as a capable hunter like the elders of his tribe. Every day, he practiced with his bow and arrows, learning the ways of the wild, listening to the whispers of the wind, and studying the tracks of animals in the soil. One day, while hunting alone in the early morning, Nia came upon the tracks of a great lion. The lion was a powerful and dangerous creature, feared by even the most seasoned hunters. Yet, Nia's heart burned with a desire to show his skill and bravery. He decided to follow the tracks, despite the warnings of the elders, who told him that the lion was not to be trifled with. As he followed the tracks, the sun climbed higher in the sky. Nia moved with careful steps, keenly aware of every sound and movement in the bush around him. The air smelled of dust and the sharp scent of wild plants. Hours passed, and then he began to feel the weight of his decision. But just as he was beginning to doubt himself, he heard a rustling in the grass. A low growl echoed through the silence. Turning slowly, Nia saw the lion, its golden mane gleaming in the sunlight. The beast was larger than any he had ever imagined, its eyes glowing with a wild, untamed strength. Nia felt his heart race, but he did not run. Instead, he stood still and met the lion's gaze. The lion studied him for a long moment, as if trying to understand whether this young boy posed a threat. Then, in a low rumbling voice, the lion spoke. "You are brave, young hunter, but you are not yet ready to face me. Why do you seek to kill me?" Nia, though surprised that the lion could speak, gathered his courage and answered, "I want to prove myself as a hunter. I want to show my tribe that I am capable of surviving in the wild." The lion's eyes softened, and he took a few steps forward, still watching Nia closely. Bravery does not come from hunting the strongest of beasts, but from understanding the balance of the world. You do not need to kill me to prove yourself. You must learn to respect the creatures of the earth, for they are as much a part of your survival as your strength with a bow. Nia, though confused, understood the lion's words. His father and the elders had often spoken of respect for nature and the delicate balance that existed between the hunters and the hunted. The lion continued, "I will not harm you, young one. But if you wish to prove yourself, return to your people and show them the wisdom you have learned today. The true test of a hunter is not in the number of kills, but in the knowledge of the land and the ability to live in harmony with it." With that, the lion turned and vanished into the tall grass, leaving Nia standing in the quiet of the bush. His heart was still racing, but now it was not with fear. It was with a newfound understanding of what it meant to be a true hunter. Nia returned to his tribe and shared the story of the lion with the elders. They listened quietly, nodding in approval. From that day forward, Nia was known not only for his skill with a bow but also for his deep respect for the creatures of the land. The story of Nia and the lion was passed down from generation to generation, teaching the young Hadzabe hunters that true strength lies in the balance between courage and wisdom, and that respect for the natural world is the foundation of survival.